Hey there, it's the Credit Dad, and today we're talking about a tried and true way to build credit, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Now don't let that secured word scare you. I'll break it down nice and easy. A secured card is kind of like training wheels for credit. You put down a refundable security deposit, and that becomes your credit line. With Capital One, that deposit can be as low as $49, $99, or $200, depending on your credit. But no matter what you put down, you start with at least a $200 limit. Now here's the beauty of it. No annual fee. That's right. It won't cost you a dime to keep it in your wallet. Just use it like a regular credit card. Buy your groceries, pay your bills, then pay it off on time. Do that consistently, and Capital One might even increase your limit without another deposit. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, so every on-time payment helps your score climb a little higher. And after showing good behavior for a while, you could be eligible to upgrade to an unsecured card, no deposit needed. So if you're starting from scratch or rebuilding after a bump in the ride, this card's a great way to earn back trust and credit. That's it for now. Take care of your credit and it'll take care of you. This is the Credit Dad signing off.